Pronouns. Hello friends, welcome to Grammar Lesson. In this session, we will discuss about pronouns. For understanding pronouns, we need to know our nouns well. I have already shared a video for nouns. Please check that video if you haven't done yet. Links are given in the description. To get most out of this video, please watch it till the end. Okay, let's get started. What exactly are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that replaces a noun in the sentence. Pronouns can do everything that nouns can do. Kids, we all know that nouns are names of persons, places, animals and things. And what are pronouns? They are the words that replaces a noun in a sentence. So now, instead of persons, what are the words I can use? I can replace this noun with the words he, she, we, they, you. So all these words are pronouns as they are used in place of a noun as a person. Now let's see in case of places, animals or things. What are the words I can use it to replace? I can replace these nouns with the word it. So the word it is a pronoun as it is used instead of a noun for a place, animal and thing. Now it's clear that the words that replaces nouns in a sentence are called pronouns. So these words I, we, she, it, he, they, you are all pronouns. Pronouns are just replacements of nouns. So why do we need pronouns when we already have nouns? They are used to avoid repeating nouns again and again in a sentence. Kids, you know, repeating nouns again and again makes the sentence complex or confusing. Let's look at examples to make this concept clear. First, we will use only noun in the sentence and then we will use noun and pronoun both. Using noun only. Bob bought a book as Bob wanted to read it. Now let's look at the same sentence by using noun and pronoun. Bob bought a book as he wanted to read it. Here we used he instead of again repeating Bob. It made our sentence simple. Let's see another example by using noun only. This dog is cute and the dog loves to play all day. Now by using noun and pronoun both. This dog is cute and it loves to play all day. Now let's look into the last example to get it more clear. By using nouns only. Sarah was happy as Sarah's mom gave Sarah a gift. Now let's see the same sentence by using nouns and pronouns. Sarah was happy as her mom gave her a gift. Here we used the word her instead of using Sarah 3 times. You can see how the sentence has become easy. Now we know what are the various pronouns. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. But remember where to use it. He is used for boys and men. Example, this is my father. He is my best friend. Here in place of father, the word he is used. She is used for girls and women. Example, this is Tina. She is a dancer. Here in place of Tina, the word she is used. They is used when we are talking about other people, animals or things. For example, Bob, Sarah and Dave are in the park. They are playing. Here we are talking about other people and we have used the word they instead of the nouns. We is used when I am talking about myself along with others. For example, this is Sarah and I. We are friends. It is used for animals, places and things. For example, it is a bed. It is a dog. You is used when we are talking to someone in front of us. You are beautiful. You both are footballer. Remember kids that the pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. Let's do some exercises now. Here are a list of pronouns and nouns. Match the nouns to the correct pronouns. The nouns are girl, rabbit, people, man, mom, fish. The list of pronouns are it, they, she, he. Let's match it. For girl, which is the pronoun, we replace it with she. For rabbit, which is the pronoun we use instead of the noun it. For people, which is the pronoun we use they. For man, which is the pronoun we use he. For mom, which is the pronoun we use she. For fish, which is the pronoun we use it. Wow! Now I think you all know which pronoun is used for which noun. Let's take it by ourselves. Write the pronouns for these pictures. Write your answers in the comment section below. The nouns are cat, boy, girl, cup, Sia and Dev, Sarah and I. So now what have we learned in this session? We have learned what are pronouns, words that can be used in place of nouns, and they make the sentence easy by avoiding unnecessary repetition of nouns. So basically we use pronouns to avoid confusion in a sentence. Hope you enjoyed learning about pronouns with me. Hey, this video was just made for you. Please hit the like button if you like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, write in the comment section. Do share the video so that others can learn, and do subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. Thank you for watching.